Hey, what's going on social media? I'm Steve Ludwig, also known as Mr. Insurance. Today I'm going to talk to you about how a claim works in the event that you let somebody borrow your car and they get into an accident. So essentially, like, who is liable when it comes to that? So the first thing I want to talk to you about is that the insurance will, in most cases, follow the vehicle. So your insurance, the person that owns the vehicle, is now responsible for any kind of payout. Now, anything in addition to that, say that there was not enough coverage there for bodily injury, property damage, that sort of thing, then you're going to have where the secondary insurance, or the person that borrowed your vehicle, then their insurance kicks in. You want to be very aware of who you let borrow your vehicle, because ultimately at the end of the day, if there's any type of fine print in your insurance policy, and you've maybe paid for some cheap insurance out online and didn't really read all that fine print, you could be out thousands of dollars, potentially crippling thousands of dollars. So it's something you want to be very concerned about. The other thing is that you might have where that person wrecks your car. You're not responsible for deductibles such as collision and comp, because your insurance, again, it covers your car, and not the secondary person. Their insurance won't kick in for that. So you might be out $500, $1,000, whatever your deductible is. And when it comes time for people to pony up with money, as we all know, that saying and doing are two different things. And again, you could be out thousands of dollars because you let that person be able to borrow your car. Another thing that you want to read in the fine print is permissive use coverage. So permissive use coverage is anybody that has any kind of access to the vehicle. So say you had somebody that was a relative and they came in from out of town, they're staying at your house. You say, yeah, hey, go ahead and take the vehicle out. Well, if you do not have permissive use coverage, and there are a lot of what I'm going to call low rate or cheap insurance companies, those companies do not cover permissive use coverage. So meaning that in the event that somebody got into an accident with your vehicle, it might not be covered. So it's something you want to pay a lot of attention to make sure that you have that permissive use coverage in there. Super, super important. Again, this is stuff that I try and tell people all the time. You definitely get what you pay for. Another thing that is a lot of times shortchanged is not having uninsured motorist. That's, again, the uninsured motorist, again, that it falls into kind of a gray area where if you're specifically, most states do cover that, they require it. But in the event that you're in a state that doesn't require uninsured motorists, you could be out thousands of crippling dollars to be able to take care of the liabilities that are in play. So it's just something you want to be very considerate about. In the event that you lend out your car to somebody else, just know kind of what the territory is there and what you might be responsible for. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those out here in the comments. I will try and answer back as quickly as I can. Outside of that, guys, hope everybody has a great day.